Right guys, welcome to another adventure guys. I'm here right now in Bagan Lalang guys, Selangor. So today's adventure, I'll be doing some kayaking with my team. So this is what we call paddling into nature guys. So as you can see, this is the entrance. First you will come in here. They will give you some loaf of bread, you got some snacks and of course some mineral water, 1.5 liters. You will have to register down here. So now the first thing we'll do is have our briefing guys. So right now we're registering. When everything's done, then we will make our way to the entrance. You are here, they will give you a short briefing about the safety rules and regulations, and be careful of your belongings because they had a lot of people who lost their phones down here, dropped their phones in the river. So to be safe guys, be sure you put it in your bag, keep it tight down there because we don't want to lose your phones down there, your belongings. So right now we're going to our kayak, we're going to get the paddles. So you get one, and we make our way to the boat guys. Okay, yes. Alright guys, there's two types of programs in doing this kayaking in the mangrove guys, in Bagan Lalang. So there's the morning and there's the noon. So the morning is the one that's at 9 o'clock it starts, and then for the evening it's the 2 o'clock. So this is 2 up to 6, we were placed in the evening program. We were advised to bring our mosquito repellents, our sunscreen, wear some long sleeves. If you have, bring your sunglasses and your hat because it's very hot in the afternoon. But what I can assure you is that when you do it in the afternoon guys, there's not much people down here. Because I was told usually in the morning is the peak crowd. So right now I'm going to my kayak right now. So let's make our way there. Let's see, okay. Oh, licin huh? Okay. Okay.
Farell nampak macam orang ni tau. Tengok nampak macam orang laut tak?
Memang nampak macam orang laut.
Alright, it's kind of sunny day. We haven't ventured around yet the places, so we doesn't know what awaits us in front. Is it good thing or bad thing? After we go on, then we will know. We are excited. But we are excited. Yes.
So right now we are waiting for our tour guide. So we were expecting to be at least 11 in the group today. If you're a nature lover guys, this is a place to be. Just right nearby the airport guys. You know the KLIA, KLIA 1, KLIA 2. Cantik abang bang. Ni untuk memancing abang. Ah, okay. Comel. Alright guys, we're gonna start the adventure. Paddling to nature. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Not bad guys, feels like I'm in some country like Vietnam or Borneo guys. Feels like that kind of vibes when I'm here paddling. Check it out. This is the team for 2 o'clock.
Alright guys, are you enjoying this video? For those who are new to my channel guys, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and of course click on the like button as well guys if you like this video. And for those who have been to Mangrove, to this tour here in Bagan Lalang, let us know what do you think about this place. Leave a comment below. And for those who haven't been here guys, maybe you can leave a comment down there, ask me any questions you are curious about to know more about this exploration. Anyways, let's continue in this tour.
Drinking water. Jadi. One of the many shell. There's like a siput sedut there. Boleh kita boleh tukar tempat bro anytime. Tak ada halnya, lonely the best. Alright guys, let's go low. Wee, head down guys, head down. Woo! There you have it. That was fun.
Something simple, but thrilling. Alright, let's on to the adventure. Paddling into nature, exploring this mangrove. Thanks to Malaysia Outdoor Adventure and Hikers Climbers. Don't forget to check them out on Instagram. Okay guys, as I exit the mangrove, this is what it looks like. It was an amazing experience guys, going through that mangrove forest. It was very serene. Came across a few animals already. It's quite a good experience. Alright, let's go to shore and have ourselves a quick lunch. I need myself a break. My shoulders are killing me. Okay, let's get my boat to the side. My kayak. Check this out, man. Came myself with a self-made kayak, man. Okay guys, part of the tour will be given some food and drinks. So we're gonna grab our food right now. Perfect time to recharge. Okay. Alright, let's go for a break guys. I'm gonna find myself a shade down here. So once you grab your food, they give you like a few minutes to chill down here, recover after that strenuous activity. Guys, wow, the food is damn good, man. This is mee goreng, apa? Maggi goreng.
Mee goreng.
Mee goreng.
Mee goreng mamak.
Mee goreng mamak and curry puff. And it comes with mineral water, guys. Just what we need after this strenuous activity. Right after your lunch, as you explore those places where you see these branches, you come up with this mystical forest, guys. Look at that. Okay, and it comes with this pathway. Check that out. Check out my team. They're already exploring the place. They got so curious until one guy became a monkey. Check that out. His name is Yuvaraj, by the way. There's actually a continuation down here, guys. But unfortunately, I think it broke down. I think there was a strong current down here that destroyed this bridge, or it could have been decayed. It's like snow. Oh yeah, nampak macam salji. Jalan. That's it. Yeah, looks like a snow. Alright guys, here's a few tips if you come to this place. As you can see this bridge, come to the side before you enter, lay down on this white sand and just look up. You'll thank me later. Peace and quiet. Woohoo! This is what we call butterfly. Some of them call it angel. Wee-hee! Okay guys, the tour is over, so this is the end of it. It was an amazing experience guys, thanks to Malaysian Outdoor Adventure and Hikers Climbers. So now we were told that the current is coming in now, so it'll be easy for us to go back. But we were told to do this behind the housing area so that the current is weaker than the main line down there. So as you can see the housing down there, the floating house down there, we're gonna be paddling our way through from the back of the house. Okay guys, so let's go back. It was a good adventure guys. Let's head home. can say? Well, first is nature. Good nature.
This is a very good experience.
Yeah.
It's quite fun. But we see a lot of crab that we never seen before. Blue crab. What else?
Mudskipper. That was
Mudskipper.
interesting.
Oh, that was a huge mudskipper.
It lives in two worlds, right? I was told water and land, right?
Yeah, it can
Whoa.
live in both lands, either land or water.
Yeah.
But it's a fish.
Man down, man down, man down.
Okay guys, if you're the last, this is what's gonna happen to you. They'll pull you back. There you have it guys. Great trip, great experience, tiring. Alright guys, done. Flat out. Time to get some good food. Alright guys, for those who are interested in doing this kayak, this mangrove kayaking, or what you call mangrove exploration, you can contact this number. It's 012-287-8787. Other than that, what I can say, it's a very nice guy. He's our tour guide. Check them out. Hikers, Climbers, Malaysia Outdoor Adventure.
Yeah. No, but here I don't know. That's my goal.
Okay guys, apparently our car couldn't start, so we've been stranded here for a few hours already. Luckily there were some good people that we met here, some new friends. Managed to kill time waiting for our brother here to come and fix the car. So he's here now. I was hoping we can go back now. It was a tiring trip. Well, looks like it's gonna be a long day for me. And for those who are watching right now guys, please click on the subscribe button or like, and of course leave some comment guys. What do you think about this trip? Till then, see ya.
Malaysia Outdoor Adventure. Hikers, Climbers.